No matter what industry you work in, one thing remains the same. Every employer wants the best customers who are trustworthy and valuable. With every relationship, whether it be personal or professional, gaining trust and credibility in others is crucial for the relationship to grow and be successful and happy. Today in this video, we are sharing 10 ways to learn how to gain customer trust in other small businesses. Number 1, make personal phone calls. Whenever possible, make personal phone calls to your customers. If your customer hears your voice, they will feel like your company really cares. Number 2, organize yourself to take care of their needs. Two of the biggest destructive forces in business are inconsistencies and inefficiencies. If you are inconsistent or inefficient, your customers take the brunt of it. It's a punishment to them. Number 3, establishing an online community. Online communities, also known as crowdsourcing, are powerful tools that can alleviate much of the call center pressure while moving into the more effective and streamlined avenue. Number 4, give your customers what they are not likely to get anywhere else. Research your competitor's website and see what they are not doing that you can start doing on your website to make your customers feel at home with you than they are with your competitors. Number 5, give your customers enough time. When doing business online, there's always a lot to attend to, most of which can be automated. In order to have enough time to attend to your customers, automate as much of your work as you can. Number 6, answer their questions quickly. Your response time to your customers' message should not be more than 24 hours. By responding to them as quickly as possible, you are letting them believe that they are important and you're genuinely interested in meeting their needs. Number 7, distribute a newsletter. By creating a newsletter, your customers will be better informed about your company and its happenings. Clients love when businesses stay in touch and update them on news and industry happenings. Number 8, give valuable gifts from time to time. This could be a newsletter containing valuable information that is useful to your customers. You can also offer subscriber-only discounts and freebies that will make them feel special. Number 9, realize that the main foundation of customer service is helping people. As such, ensure that every frontline employee has some kind of background in assisting people. This will more or less assure an amazing customer service experience. And number 10, appreciate your customers whenever possible. Gratitude goes a long way in any business. Just by thanking customers sincerely and thoughtfully shows them you care and value their support. As a small business owner, you must need a detailed business plan to understand all important aspects of your business. So write a business plan and grow your business on the next level. Also like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos.